Hey everyone, Brandon here, Florida Outdoors RV. I want to show you this Forester 3051 model. Great model. One single slide here on the left side, but it's a nice long slide. Lots of cool storage options. Got our 4-door refrigerator. Kitchen, we got our kitchenette area here. Nice seating. Of course, lots of good sleeping space up here as well. Driving area. Alright, let's take a look outside. Alright, so automatic awning. A lot of good outside storage here as well. One slide here on the right. Our own generator. If you have any questions about this motorhome, be sure to give us a call at the number above, and we're glad to answer any questions for you. Thanks so much, and have a great day.